Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting a usable power armor frame and moving it into a power armor station. Once done, install a fusion core so the suit powers on. You need power to access paint menus. Make sure you have scrap materials and at least Armorer Rank 1 unlocked. This lets you change visual mods. You're doing setup and first actions simultaneously. Retrieve the suit, open the station menu, and prepare materials so you can begin painting immediately. You're now inside the station menu. Navigate to the Paint tab and inspect available schemes. Next, pick either a full schematic or change individual parts. This lets you mix colors across helmet, torso, and limbs. Preview each choice on the model so you confirm coverage and contrast. Then apply by spending the displayed materials and caps. If a paint is locked, make sure you meet perk requirements like Armorer or specific faction ranks before retrying. Finish by exiting the station and equipping the suit to inspect the paint in different light and animations. If you need adjustments, return to the Paint tab and tweak individual pieces. Save materials by altering only what matters. If paint fails to appear or looks wrong, first reload a recent save. If that fails, check for mod conflicts or verify game files. These issues often block textures. Once resolved, reapply paint and enjoy your customized armor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.